Welcome back to my subscribers. Really, I feel very happy to meet you after a long time. Dear subscribers, in this class we go to see about voices. There is voice, active and passive voices. Okay. First of all, whatever it is, you have to identify verb. In this voice, first we must identify voice, which type of voice is given in your question paper or in your book. Second, you have to identify verb, because both in Tamil and English, verb only shows the tense of the sentence, given sentence. So that you have to identify verb. Third one is tense. Fourth one is you select B form verb as per the tense of the verb. For example, if verb is present tense, you select present B form verb only. Suppose if it is past, you select past B form verbs only. So that you have to select as per the tense of the verb B form verb, B verb. Okay. You have to follow these 4 rules. The exercise, whatever it is, you can change it easily. Then you must identify, you must know, you should be learn the structure of passive form. What is the structure of passive form? Be verb plus V3 plus by. These are structure of passive form. Already I told you be verbs. Am, is, or present tense. Was, were, past tense. Shall be, will be, future tense. Be, been, being, to be. These are B form verbs. First you select B form verbs. Then you select V3 of the given verb. V3 of the given verb. Then after this V3 you must use by. That's all. For example, the governor inaugurated the exhibition at 10 o'clock. The governor inaugurated the exhibition. Inaugurated the exhibition at 10 o'clock. Okay. Right. First of all, you identify which type of voice is given here. There is no B form verb, there is no V3, there is no by. Totally, this exercise which doesn't come in the structure of passive form. Which doesn't come in the structure of passive form. So that this is active voice. Then you identify verb, which is verb in the given exercise. To identify verb, you identify subjects. First subject is the governor, after then verb. Okay. Voice. Okay. Then verb. Then tense. Then be verb. First we have selected voice and verb. Voice, active voice. Verb, inaugurated. Then tense. Which tense? The verb which ends with ed. So that this is past tense. This is past tense. Then B form verb. Already I told you. As per the tense of the B form verb, you select the B form verb. As per the tense of the verb, you select the B form verb. Here verb is past tense. So that you select past B form verb. Was and were. Was is singular verb, where is plural verb. General rules, subject, object. Object which comes in the place of subject, subject goes to the place of object. This is general rule, both active and passive. Here we have selected general rule and we have selected B form verbs, but these verb B form verbs, you find two verbs, was and were. You can ask a question, which verb can we use, whether it is was or were. As per the number of subjects, what is number of subject? Number is 1 to 3 not. It's not 1 to 3. Here number means singular or plural. If your subject is singular, you have to use singular verb was. If your subject is plural, you have to use were. So, you must select B form verb as per the number of subject. What is here? Object, the exhibition. After this verb, the exhibition is object. Already I told you, object which comes to the place of subject, subject goes to the place of object. So that you bring this object, the exhibition, in the place of subject, the exhibition. Okay. After that, you write verb. Exhibition is singular. Tense, past tense. Already we selected was and were. Was is singular verb, were is plural verb. Subject is singular, so that you must use was. After then, V3. V3 of the given verb. Which is given verb? Here inaugurated. What is V3 for this verb inaugurated? Dear students, if your verb which ends with ed, V3 also same. So that the exhibition was inaugurated. V3 also inaugurated. After then you write by. After V3, you have to use by. Then you bring subject, the governor. You bring subject in the place of object. Then you write as it is at 10 o'clock. That's all. This is way of changing active to passive. Active to passive. How did you change? Governor, subject, exhibition, object. You bring object in the place of subject here. Verb is past tense, so that you selected past B form verb, was and were. Here exhibition is singular, so you use was. Then you identify V3 of the given verb. Here given verb inaugurated. This verb which ends with ed, V3 also inaugurated. You write inaugurated here. After this V3, you have to use by. After this by, you bring subject in the place of object, the governor. Then you write as it is. That's all. This is method of changing. You have to do like this. I ask you, my dear students, you have to change whatever it is. You have to do in your given exercise, then you rewrite it. If you do like that, you can avoid careless mistakes. Okay, in your